Okay, we need to solve this inequality. Write our answer in interval notation. So I'm going to write it down here first. So the first step is we want to get everything on the same side equal to 0, or in this case greater than 0, so that we can solve this. So let's minus 4x and add 15 to the other side. So those cancel. I end up with x squared minus 4x plus 15 is greater than 0. So we need to solve this either by factoring. Let's check that first. So factors of 15 are 5 and 3 or 1 and 15. We can see that's not going to work. So we're going to have to either do solve by completing the square or the quadratic formula. And it doesn't matter which we do. So let's go ahead and do by completing the square. So to do that, I'm going to put this 15 back on the other side. So we'll have x squared minus 4x plus our blank equals negative 15 plus blank. So for the moment, I am going to use an equal sign just so we can solve for our two solutions. So to complete the square, we take half of negative 4 and square it. So that would be negative 2 squared or positive 4. We'll add that to both sides to keep it balanced. So now we have x minus 2 squared equals negative 11. Now to finish solving, take the square root of each side. We need our plus or minus out front. So those cancel. We get x minus 2 equals plus or minus. Now because we have a negative, we're going to bring an I out, then square root of 11. Finish solving by adding 2 to both sides, so we get x equals, we'll just put the 2 out front, 2 plus or minus I square root of 11. So our solutions are imaginary numbers. Well, when that happens, we know either all numbers are solutions or no numbers are solutions. So it's either going to be all real numbers or no solution. And so we just need to check one number to see what it's going to be. So I would recommend let's just check 0. Let's make it easy on ourselves. So if we plug in 0, we'll get 0. X squared is just 0 greater than 4 times 0, which is 0 minus 15. So 0 is greater than negative 15, which is true. So because that's true, that tells us all numbers, all real numbers, are a solution to this inequality. And so our answer would just be negative infinity to infinity, just like that.